Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're at the Deerfield Wilderness Park in upstate New York. It's winter, and I'm going to do some snowshoeing. Now, normally I would use my Tubbs snowshoes, but I just ordered these Wildhorn Sawtooth snowshoes, which look and feel very similar. So we'll see how they do today. Oh, these are nice. They feel really good. Beautiful park in any season. It's a wonderful park to bring family as well. These snowshoes I ordered off Amazon. They're actually pretty agile. They're so reminiscent of my Tubbs. Such a beautiful area here in upstate New York.
This is the wilderness trail. Let's follow the yellow sign. Whoa, it's kind of steep. Whoa. Make sure you don't. This is the spike. Yeah, that's what
This is very scenic, and in the summer we look for flowers, but in the winter we look for animal tracks. We look for lichen on the trees, and we look for different types of conifers around.
There's animal tracks.
Yes, and there's animal tracks all around.
Daddy, maybe this track that's a bear track. This is called a birch tree.
Be careful. Yes, these snowshoes, all of ours have nice spikes underneath. This is a nice place to cross-country ski also, besides snowshoe. It's a nice place to trail run in the summer. And there's moss and there's lichen.
The
Very
moss
nice.
feels so fluffy. Here, I'm gonna have some water, Dad.
Well, we found a snowman while snowshoeing. And always stop for water breaks in the wintertime. Just because it's cold doesn't mean you don't need water.
Yep, funny snowman.
It's always fun to check out little frozen creeks too. Just don't get too close. Very nice. Straight ahead. We are going to go to the right.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's like a cave.
Yes, that's a tree that's been overturned across a creek. And this little creek is all snowy and frozen. Wow.
Whoa. Sad horses. Whoa.
These snowshoes are holding up pretty good still.
Yeah.
Come on.
Whoa, look at that!
That is beautiful down here.
Yeah, it is, but a lot of
It looks more beautiful in the winter than it does in the summer here, and it looks gorgeous here in the summer. In the fall, the leaves are everywhere and colorful and bright.
And look, there's a lot of trees still over. That's beautiful.
Wow. It's gonna make a nice picture.
Yeah. It's gonna make a nice playground.
See, and the whole way we're still following the trail markers.
What?
Just like in the Adirondacks, just the trail markers look a little different here.
Daddy, look.
It's a nice little bridge, yeah.
Look at that, my tiny bridge. Poor fishies. They can't jump which way. We'll go that way or this way.
We're gonna go straight ahead.
Okay.
Very nice view from the top of this hill. Wow.
Yeah, very nice view.
This trail is pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed our short little video here at the Deerfield Wilderness Park, snowshoeing in winter. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video, comment on it, hit the donate link in the video's description, and look out for more videos where I travel all around New York State, the Adirondack Mountains, and so much more.